This is your Swing Alpha Trade Report for February 22nd, 2018. This has been our absolutely worst trading month of the history of Swing Alpha. We haven't been doing so well this month. We've been getting really chopped up. The market's been very choppy and it's been moving quite large, very large swings. Right now, we're expecting one more sell-off wave, one more rollover, and we should see a final bottom somewhere around this region, somewhere around mid-March. And around here, we could start loading up on longs for the final move up. But for now, we're really not quite sure what's going to happen for the next week. So we're just going to sort of stay out of it, just watch it, and just hold the positions that we got. Next, we have the Qs, QQQ. We have a similar situation. You can see the Qs have been running up for quite some time on this trend line. We've had another bounce, and we expect possibly another bounce here before we continue up as well. Several trades that we've taken. First one was a long on REN, which we had taken on the 16th. That would be this candle right here. We were going long, but unfortunately, it does look like it's going against us. So this trade might not actually work out after all. But we're just going to hold it for now and see how it works out. We have MXL. MXL we had taken yesterday. This MXL is a short. The stock looked pretty bearish. We had this bear flag right here, as you can see it, and it's been rolling over, and it hasn't been doing so well since earnings. And it looks like it's just going to roll over within the coming weeks. And if the market sells off, we expect MXL to sell off too. So that's one short we're in, and the other short we've added is CRHM. CRHM we added yesterday as well towards the close. However, today trade definitely moved against us, so this trade might not actually work out as well. So this could be a fake out candle. There's really no way to know. It could just roll back over tomorrow or when the market rolls over. Lastly, we have W. W is a very unfortunate trade. It's actually our worst trade for Swing Alpha ever. So we had gone long on this bull flag on the 13th right here, and it looked pretty good. Unfortunately, it immediately sold off overnight on earnings. The earnings report wasn't actually that bad, so I'm not really sure why it sold off 23% in one day. But alpha level members were told, of course, to get out at the open. So you would have probably gotten out somewhere around here, which would have unfortunately caused a 12% loss. If you didn't stop out, of course, you would have taken something like a 20% loss from our opening trade. We were a little bit loaded, a little more loaded on this trade than usual. We had 7.5% of our portfolio in W, which meant that this trade lost about 0.9% of our portfolio, which is the largest loss we've ever taken on an individual trade in Swing Alpha ever. So you can pretty much assume that this is your worst case scenario trading with Swing Alpha. This is when things really go bad. You'll lose about 0.9%. So that concludes our trade report. Just stay calm, just watch the markets. You don't need to trade. You don't have to take a trade.